Hi everyone, it's Frances again from York County Library here in South Carolina. I'm here to do another Lego tutorial. It's October and you know what happens in October. Yep, that's right, Halloween. So we're going to do some Lego builds that have a Halloween theme. Ready? Let's get started. Like a lantern. And here are the bricks that you're going to need for this build. You're going to need one 1x2 brown brick. You're going to need 3 1x2 black bricks, 2 2x2 black bricks, and 1 2x3 black brick. For the orange bricks, you're going to need 1 1x2 orange brick, 7 2x2 orange bricks, 9 2x3 orange bricks, and 6 2x4 orange bricks. So let's begin. The first row is a 2x2, a 2x3, and a 2x2 orange brick. Next row is a 2x4 orange brick, a 2x3 orange brick, and a 2x2. So there we go. The next row is a 2x4 orange brick, a 2x3 black brick, and I didn't have enough 2x4 orange bricks, but this is one of the great things about Legos. If you don't have all the right pieces, sometimes you can make them from other Lego bricks. So I took 2 1x4 orange bricks, put them together, and it makes a 2x4 orange brick. So there we are. The next row is a 1x2 and a 2x2 because I didn't have enough 2x3s, so again, I made my own brick. A 1x2 black brick, a 2x3 orange brick, another 1x2 black brick, and a 2x3 orange brick. There we are. The next row is a 1x2 orange brick, a 2x4 orange brick, a 1x2 black brick, a 2x2 orange brick, and a 2x3 orange brick. There we go, halfway there. The next row is a 2x2 orange brick, 2x2 black brick, and again, I didn't have enough 2x3s orange bricks, so I used a 1x2 and a 2x2 to make a 2x3. And then a 2x2 black brick and a 2x2 orange brick. Next row, a 2x3 orange brick, a 2x4 orange brick. Oops, I made a mistake. I need to go in one. So there's the 2x3, the 2x4, and the 2x2 orange bricks. Then a 1x2 and a 2x2 because I didn't have enough 2x3s, a 2x4, and the piece de la resistance. Whoops, he's trying to run away. The 1x2 brown brick for the stem. And there you have it, a happy Halloween jack-o'-lantern. Great job, everyone. See you next week. Bye.